Our courses include Quran recitation with Tajweed and daily practice, practical guidance for performing prayers, memorization of Islamic words and phrases, supplication dua, Wudu ablution, Ghusl ritual bath, and daily life matter, translation of the Quran, Tafseer of the Quran, test schedule, weekly and monthly progress reports will be provided to parents. Our staff, we have educated, experienced, and caring staff members who teach children with love and consideration for their mental development. If you are interested in educating your children, please contact us once at WhatsApp +92 306 3273574.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear parents, do you want your child to become a follower of the daily 5 ways? Do you want them to recite the Quran daily in a reading wise? Would you like them to learn about Islam and need radiant clear instruction despite being far away from our schools and Islamic school? Do you still want to educate your children? No, don't worry. Now don't worry anymore because we have what and online madrasa for you. We will teach them everything you want. So join us immediately without any further delay.